Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Cherry. In this video, we will solve rational algebraic equations transformable to quadratic equations. Ano ba yung mga rational algebraic equations? Para malaman natin, let's have examples. Let's have example 1. Solve the rational algebraic equation 6 over x plus x minus 3 all over 4 equals 0. Okay, so this given equation is an example of rational algebraic equation. Pag sinabing rational algebraic equation, ito ay mathematical sentence na mayroong rational algebraic expression. Alin dyan yung mga rational algebraic expressions natin? Si 6 over x at saka si x minus 3 all over 4. Yun ay quotient ng algebraic expressions or ratio ng dalawang polynomials. Okay, dapat ang denominator ay hindi equal sa 0. Remember, division by 0 is not defined. Paano ba natin masosolve ang rational algebraic equation? The first step is to transform first this into standard form of quadratic equation. Let's have the step 1. We will multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of all denominators. This is the given equation. Ano kaya ang LCM nila? Pag sinabing LCM or least common multiple, these are the least numbers that is a multiple of both the denominator. So, ang denominators natin ay 4ix and 4. So, ang least common multiple nila ay 4x. Ito yung least number na multiple ng 4 and x. Multiply natin sa both sides. So, this is our original equation. I-multiply natin sa left side. I-multiply natin sa right side. And then, we will simplify. We have 24 here. Paano nakuha si 24? So, 4x. Si 4x, i-multiply natin kay 6 over x. Okay, pwede nating makancel si x. So, ang may iwan na lang ay si 4 times 6. Okay, that is 24. Next, paano na nakuha ito? So, ang next naman ay i-multiply si 4x at saka si x minus 3 all over 4. Pwede nating i-cancel si 4. Kaya ang naiwan na lang ay si x at saka si x minus 3. Kaya nakuha natin ito. Next, okay, sa right side, 2 times 4x is equal to 8x. Okay, let's simplify. Okay, 24, we copy 24. And then, so apply natin distributive ulit. X multiplied to x is x squared. Next, x multiplied to negative 3 is negative 3x equals 8x. Okay, step 2 is to write the resulting quadratic equation in standard form. So, ito yung nakuha natin kanina. Standard form ng quadratic equation, mauuna yung may highest exponent, which is 2. And then, susunod yung 1 ang exponent ng variable na x. And then, ang susunod yung constant. Equals 0 dapat. Ano natin gagawin yon? Si 8x, since nasa right side siya, ililipat natin dito sa left side. From positive 8x, magiging negative 8x. Meron na tayo, kinopya natin, 24 plus x squared minus 3x. Naging negative 8x na siya, equals 0. And then, pagsunod-sunurin natin, standard form, unahin natin si x squared. And then, negative 11x. So, meron tayong similar terms, si negative 3x and negative 8x. So, nakuha si negative 11x. Constant term na nasa unahan dito, siya yung nasa last term ng ating expression, plus 24. And then, equals 0. This is now the standard form of our equation. Pwede na nating isolve gamit ang any method in solving quadratic equations. This is the step 3 in solving rational algebraic equations. Find the roots of the resulting equation using any of the methods of solving quadratic equations. Ito yung standard form ng ating rational algebraic equation na given kanina. X squared minus 11x plus 24 equals 0. Since factorable yung ating equation, we can use the method of solving quadratic equations by factoring. The factors are x minus 8 and x minus 3. X squared, the factors are x and x. Factors ng 24 na ang sum ay negative 11 ay negative 8 and negative 3. Check natin. Negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24. Tama. Add natin ang negative 8 and negative 3. Ang sum ay negative 11. Okay, that is also correct. Equate natin sa 0 each factor. The first factor is x minus 8. So, equals 0. Then, solve for x. Transpose natin or ilipat natin si negative 8. Magiging positive 8. So, we have x equals 8. Next factor is x minus 3. Equate natin sa 0. And then, solve for x. So, negative 3, ilipat magiging positive 3. Therefore, we have x equals 3. So, these are the roots or solutions of the equation. Okay, so this is by factoring. Let's try another method. Tignan natin kung parehas ang makukuha. Let's use the quadratic formula. So, since nasa standard form na yung ating equation, let's find the values of A, B, and C. A is 1, B is negative 11, C is positive 24. Substitute the values of A, B, and C to the quadratic formula. This is our quadratic formula. So, negative B, our B is negative 11, plus minus square root of B square. B is negative 11 square, minus 4 times AC. Minus 4, our A is 1, C is 24. All over 2A. 2 times A is 1. Next, simplify. Negative times negative 11 is 11 plus minus. Square ng negative 11 is 121. Negative 4 times 1 times 24 ay negative 96. 2 times 1 is positive 2. Simplify again, 11 plus minus, square root ng 121 minus 96 is 25 all over 2. Simplify, 11 plus minus, ang square root ng 25 ay 5 all over 2. Let's separate the positive and negative result. First one is x equals 11 plus 5 all over 2. The other one is x equals 11 minus 5 all over 2. Then solve for x. Unahin natin itong positive result. 11 plus 5 is 16 over 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Next, 11 minus 5 all over 2. 11 minus 5 is 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is positive 3. Gamit ang quadratic formula, nakuha natin ay 8 and 3. Parehas lang, 8 or 3. Bakit hindi natin ginamit yung completing the square? Completing the square, mas gamit siya kapag not factorable din. Pero, mas mahaba ang kanyang solution. Unlike kung factorable siya, use factoring. Okay, wag mo nang piliin si completing the square. Kung gusto mong mag-adventure, okay, go kay completing the square. Kung hindi mo makuha yung mga factors, andyan say quadratic formula. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin. Ang quadratic formula ginagamit kahit anong uri ng equation. Basta isulat mo lang siya into standard form like this. X squared minus 11x plus 24 equals 0. Yung extracting square roots, meron lang form ng equation na pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yun yung ax square equals c at saka yung square ng ax plus c equals d. Let's proceed in step 4 in solving rational algebraic equation. Check whether the obtained values of x make the equation true. This is the checking part. For the first root, which is 8, we will substitute to the original equation. Remember, always substitute to the original equation. 6 over x is 8, so we have 6 over 8. X minus 3, x is 8, so 8 minus 3 all over 4 equals 2. Simplify, 6 over 8 is equal to 3/4. 8 minus 3 is 5 all over 4. And then equals to 3 plus 5 is 8. And then copy the common denominator. 8 over 4 is 2 equals 2. They are equal, that is true. Next, root or solution is 3. Substitute to the original equation. We now have 6 over x. X is 3, so we have 6 over 3. X minus 3, x is 3, minus 3 all over 4 equals 2. Simplify, 6 over 3 is equal to 2. And then, 3 minus 3 is 0 over 4. So, 0 divided by 4 is 0 equals 2. Simplify, 2 plus 0 is 2 equals 2. They are equal, that is true. Therefore, our answer, the two solutions or roots of the equation 6 over x plus x minus 3 all over 4 equals to are 8 or 3.